Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make slime with OBs. The ingredients you will be needing is OBs. First, you need the OBs. They're so cool, they're awesome, they're colorful, they're so soft. The second ingredient is the glue. The third ingredient is the shaving foam. And the fourth ingredient is Tide, the laundry detergent. And the fourth ingredient is borax and a cup of water. I'm using so much water. That's not fair. And now I'm going to add the OBs in the plastic container. Yeah. This is so cool. I love them. Okay, let's just take them into the container. Okay, nothing water. Any water? No. Okay, next I'm going to PVA glue. This is a giant one. Mine is a giant one, which has a giant cap. Okay, this one. And now I added the glue. Now I'm mixing the glue and OBs so they can be together. And now I'm going to shave foam. Okay, let's get this. Now I'm going to stir it. It's even not turning into slime because it has the OBs. Next, you need to add laundry detergent. So I'm using Tide. You can use any laundry detergent. And now I'm going to Tide. I think this is enough. Okay, let me add some Tide. And now I'm going to keep the side. And now take the borax. You can use any borax. And now take the container of water, the plastic container. Even take a spoon, tablespoon. You need to add 1 tablespoon of borax. Let's just make it. Okay, let's. I'm adding a tablespoon of borax over here. Let's just add that. And now I'm going to mix the borax. And now I'm going to add the borax into the container. With a spoon. And now I'm going to mix it. And this turned into a slime. See how good it is? It's so colorful. It's so crunchy. It's so good. You can even add food coloring, but I didn't add food coloring. It's optional. It's so good. And it's so nice. It's always slime. Always. And that's all for today. Hope you enjoy and see you at the next video. Please like, share, comment to my channel. Bye guys.